Like a Hellcat.
Hello everyone, a grand welcome to my subscribers and to those who are new to my channel. Thanks for choosing this video, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do click that red shiny subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any update. You are watching Let's Do It. Friends, today in this video we will talk about how can you have a perfect start of your day. My dear friends, if you do not feel good after just waking up in the morning, or you feel tired and drowsy, and if you do not feel any energy in your body, and you are spending these quarantine days in playing video games and doing unproductive works, then my friends, this video is for you. So please watch this video till end. The first thing you should do in the morning is to make your bed yourself. I know, making your bed may seems to be a small accomplishment, but it sets the tone for the entire day. Naval Admiral William McRaven, the commander of the US Special Operations, in his commencement speech, he said that if you make your bed every morning, you will have accomplished the first task of the day. It will give you a sense of pride and will encourage you to do another task and another and another. And that one task completed will have turned into many a tasks completed at the end of the day. And it will also develop the sense that little things in your life really matters. Making your bed can help you to start your day in a perfect way because it leads to better productivity. It lowers your stress and improves your mood. And moreover, it encourages you to keep the rest of your room tidy. And don't forget, my friends, how you do anything is how you do everything. So start your day by making your bed. So the second thing you should do in the morning is to hydrate your body, because our body is made up of 70% of water, and when we sleep, we lost the water content in our body, and it is proven that losing as little as 2% of your body's water content can significantly impair physical performance. And drinking water in the morning not only hydrate your body but also maximize your physical performance. It enhances brain functions and energy levels, and also helps in maintain weight loss. As W.H. Auden says, thousands have lived without love, but no one lived without water. The third thing you will do to make yourself unique is to stretch your muscles. Muhammad Ali, the legendary boxer, once said that, "I hate every minute of training, but I said, don't quit. Suffer now and live the rest of your life as a champion." So, doing workout in the morning can add more energy in your life. It will reduce your stress and will give you better quality of sleep. It is said that epic results starts with reps and sets. So, start by doing a little as 15 minutes in the morning, then increase it and become the better version of yourself day by day. When you do workout, then you will be rewarded by a rush of endorphins, serotonin and dopamine. Then they are known as feel-good chemicals. Do you know, morning workouts can give you more energy than a cup of a coffee or tea. The fourth and the last thing you should do to boost your morning is by calming your mind and your body. And doing meditation just after workout reduces cortisol. Cortisol is a stress hormone that increases when you are under any form of stress, whether it's physical or mental. Meditate yourself for at least 10 minutes in the morning and you will be amazed by the results. It will increase your attention span, you will become more focused. It also helps to reduce your memory loss. It helps to reduce pain and anxiety. And meditating in the morning can help you to know yourself better. As the thing about meditation is, you become more and more you. Buddha once said, the goal of meditation isn't to control your thoughts. It is to stop letting them control you. So, that's it. These are the 4 easy things that you can do to boost your mornings every day and become limitless. If you like this video, then do share it with your friends and press the like button. My dear friends, just believe in yourself, have faith, and let's do it.